So this is part 2 of how to assemble IKEA PAX wardrobe cupboard doors. So as you can see, guys, we did the frame first and made sure that it's very stable and it's going to stand. Made sure that it fits from top to bottom and it's not going to scratch the ceiling. And then that's when we bring the doors in. The actual cupboard doors come with the hinges. So first of all, you bring the doors in and you figure out which one you're going to fit first. Once you've done that, then you take the hinges out, the plastic bag, and make sure that you screw them in tightly. And I would recommend using a screwdriver if you're doing this for the first time, just in case you ruin them. But if you've done this before, then you already know what to do, and you can use a drill, not at full power, but you can set it to be at low power, just so you don't screw the screws in too tightly and screw them in so it ruins the actual woodwork. So as you can see here, we've got the drill out, we've got the hinges out, and we're just fitting them in. So once you have fitted the hinges in, I would say use 2 people, for one to hold the door in place and the other one to put the door on the right place, and obviously screw the door to the actual cupboard. So make sure you have 2 people, just for health and safety reasons, and also to make it a little bit easier, because it's a bit hard to hold the door and also grab the drill and then drill the door into the cupboard. So yeah, that's my recommendation, and that's what IKEA recommendation is on the leaflet as well, if you've read that. So as you can see now, we're fitting the door to the actual cupboard after the hinges have first gone in on the actual door. So make sure the hinges go on the door first before going onto the cupboard. So don't do it the other way around. So my cousin here makes it looks really easy because he's doing both at the same time. No one's holding the door for him, but I would recommend somebody hold the door whilst another screws the hinges onto the actual cupboard frame, like so. And once you've done this, guys, make sure that the door closes properly, is fitted in properly, and it's not loose or anything like that. So, and it opens and closes without any issues. The next step is to actually open and close the door, like my cousin does over here, and making sure that it's all okay, and for the next door to come in and be fitted in the same way as the first one. So it's a repetitive process until you get all four doors of the cupboard installed, and it should be all good from there. So I just wanted to mention, guys, if you really enjoy this video and if it's helped you on the journey of fitting the IKEA cupboard together, I would really appreciate that you subscribe to my channel, just to give me that support. It doesn't cost anything, it's just one click away. And also give me a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment if you're not sure about something, or if you don't like something, so I can improve on the next one. Or if you're happy with it, give me some positive feedback. It will just help my channel grow even more, and help others out there who have difficulties putting these cupboards together. And like I said in my previous video, I get thousands and thousands and thousands of views, but it's a shame that people don't actually show any love or show any support by not subscribing and just scrolling on to the next video. So I would really appreciate a subscribe, a thumbs up, and a comment if you have time. And good luck, guys. So this is really straightforward now. It's a repetitive process, like I said before, and I will be making part 3 of this video, where I'll be showing you how to assemble the actual drawers of the cupboard, which is a little bit complicated because there's a lot of pieces to put together before the actual drawer itself goes in. But if you have those metal drawers, the mesh looking ones, they're pretty straightforward. But the wooden ones, they still need to be, they're flat packed, so they still need to be assembled and then put in place. So follow part 3 for the drawers, and please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy the video, guys, and thank you for watching.